in. Never miss an update.
Today we are going to learn about rotation and revolution of Earth. All planets have two types of motions and the Earth also has the two motions. The two motions of Earth are rotation and revolution. Coming to rotation, rotation is turning around of Earth on its axis from west to east is known as rotation. Effects of Earth's rotation: east to west movement. Since the Earth rotates from west to east, we see sun rising in east and setting in west. Coming to day and night, the most important effect of earthly rotation is diurnal, that is daily alternation of light and darkness, as portions of Earth's surface are turned first towards and then away from sun. This variation in exposure sunlight greatly influences local temperature, humidity and wind movements. Circulation of air and water. The earth rotates causes a constituent change in direction of flow of winds and water of oceans. Winds and ocean currents are deflected towards the right in northern hemisphere and towards left in southern hemisphere. This is known as Coriolis effect. Bulging of Earth at the equator and flattening at poles. Tides, the apparent movement of all heavenly bodies from east to west movements are the effects of rotation. Coming to revolution, the movement of Earth around the sun is called as revolution. Important features of revolution: the Earth revolves round the sun west to east and it takes 365 days and 6 hours. The Earth revolves around the sun at an average speed of 29.8 kilometers per second. The Earth's orbit round the sun covers a distance of about 965 million kilometers. The period taken by Earth to complete one revolution round the sun is called a year. Effects of revolution: the Earth completes one revolution in 365 days and 6 hours. For our convenience, we consider the year consisting 365 days and ignore the 6 hours. This time of 6 hours is added up to 1 day for every 4 years, and fourth year is called an leap year. In leap year, this additional day is added in month of February, and February usually has 28 days, but this month has 29 days in leap year. Revolution causes changes in time over different places on Earth. The cycle of seasons is combined effect of revolution of Earth and orientation or tilt of its axis. The changing seasons. The phenomenon of change of season is caused due to two reasons, that is the revolution of Earth around the sun and the inclination of Earth's axis at an angle of 66.5 degrees to plane of its orbit. A solstice and equinox. Both solstice and equinox refer to the seasons in a calendar year. These seasons come about because of Earth's position in relation to sun. Solstices occur during winter and summer around December 21st and June 21st, while equinox occur during spring and fall around March 21st and September 22nd. Let's learn in detail. Coming to summer solstice, June 21st at noon rays front, that is at June 21st the noon rays from sun fall vertically on Tropic of Cancer. This is because of North Pole is tilted towards the sun. The northern hemisphere has longest days and shortest night. On other hand, all points of 66.5 degrees south are outside the circle of illumination and thus have 24 continuous hours of darkness. It is summer in northern hemisphere whereas winter in southern hemisphere. As during this period, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from direct rays of sunlight, thereby creating a lower angle for the incoming solar rays and thus a more diffuse pattern of insolation. Winter solstice. On or about December 22nd, the rays of sun vertically fall on Tropic of Capricorn, that is the parallel of 23.5 degrees south. This is because of South Pole is inclined towards the sun and the North Pole is away from it. The days are longer and nights are shorter in southern hemisphere. By contrast, all points north of 66.5 degrees north are always outside of the circle of illumination, thus have 24 hours continuous hours of darkness. During this period, the northern hemisphere is tilted away from the direct rays of sunlight, thereby creating a lower angle for incoming solar rays and thus a more diffuse pattern of insolation. Due to above phenomenon, there in winter in northern hemisphere and summer in southern hemisphere. Spring equinox. The moment of vernal equinox or March equinox occurs on March 20 or 21st. The rays of sun fall vertically at equator. At that time, the circle of illumination passes through both poles, so period of daylight and darkness are nearly 12 hours each all over the world. Autumnal equinox. September 22nd or 23rd is the moment in time of autumnal equinox or September equinox, when circle of illumination again passes through poles. The rays of sun falls vertically at equator. All parts of globe experiences nearly a 12 hours a day and 12 hours night. It is autumn in northern hemisphere and spring in southern hemisphere. So thereby we completed this chapter.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.